Keto Lemon Chia Pudding. Prepare this keto lemon chia pudding at night in 5 minutes for a very easy and portable breakfast or snack the next day. This is by far one of the easiest and delicious recipes I have made yet. Simply put all the ingredients into the blender and let the blender do its thing. Refrigerate it, and once the chia seeds have soaked in all the other ingredients, it's ready to be served. The main ingredient in this recipe are the chia seeds. Chia seeds are jam-packed with fiber and omega-3s, making it the perfect breakfast or snack to keep you full until your next meal. I also like it when I am craving something sweet and sour. This definitely cures my craving. The preparation: 1 cup canned coconut milk, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 3 tablespoons stevia, erythritol blend, 1/2 cup chia seeds, 1/2 cup lemon juice, 2 teaspoons lemon zest. The execution: 1. Gather and prep all ingredients. 2. Put the coconut milk, almond milk, cream, stevia, erythritol blend, chia seeds, lemon juice, and lemon zest into a blender. 3. Put the lid on the blender and pulse until everything is combined. 4. Pour the lemon chia pudding into cups. 5. Cover the cups with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 5 hours before enjoying. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto lemon chia pudding. Each serving comes out to be 343 calories, 30.8 grams fat, 5.9 grams net carbs, and 6.4 grams protein. Notes: this makes a total of 4 servings of keto lemon chia pudding. Each serving comes out to be 343 calories, 30.8 grams fat, 5.9 grams net carbs, and 6.4 grams protein.